Actual scale. So other than sphere, all the solids will be constructed with the isoscale. Okay, next we move on to the next type of problem, that is hemisphere diameter 70 mm placed on the ground on its curved surface. A cone base diameter 70 mm and height 70 mm placed centrally on it. Draw the isometric projection of the combination. First, we need to construct the hemisphere, that is the flat surface has to facing upside. Then above of it we need to place the cone here. Okay, so first I'll be taking a reference line and I'll be constructing a box for a dimension of 70 here, 70 by 70 70 by 70 mm box I have to construct here. Okay, so hemisphere diameter means ellipse we have to consider here, and then a half circle you have to draw. So 70 mm means here the box we should construct for a dimension of 70 mm angle 30, and again 70 mm angle 150, and again 70 mm angle is 210 degree. So then join. Now I'll be drawing the diagonal line because we have to get that ellipse at a height of 35 mm, because diameter 30 means the radius we should consider, that is 35. Okay, from the center I'll be considering a height of 35. Okay, here another box I should construct. For that, what I'll do, I'll select the bottom box and I'll create a copy, and then I'll move upward with respect to the taking the middle point. I'm going to place it. Okay, now go to arc line and using 4 arc by center method, so we can construct the ellipse here. Go to arc by center point, from the one end to the other end can construct the same way with respect to the bottom end, you can do it. I think so there is a some variation in the arc here. We'll redraw here. I think there is some mistake. I'll correct it. So take the exact center point. Okay, so now the base of the cone is base of the hemisphere, that is flat circular face facing upside. Now I'll draw a diagonal and go to arc by center point. From the center I'll consider the radius and drawing in a half circle downward. Okay, now here you can say the base of the cone also it is constructed. Now we have to consider the height here. Okay, height of 70 mm. So from the center of it I will consider a axis length for 70 mm from the middle of it. So consider 70 mm. So from the middle of it consider a length of 70 mm. Okay, go to continuous line. tangentially you can draw the lower part. Okay, so that completes the problem. And then finally you can select the whole diagram and convert into ISO. So remember it, this step you should do it in the isometric projection. Go to scale and type 0.816, enter. So you will get the isometric projection. Now we move on to the final problem. Okay, so this problem, it is nothing but 3 cubes.